I'm going to show you how to put your pages in the center once your book cover is already made. Once you've already decorated and you have it the way you want it, and it's got paper and decorations and paint or whatever it is on it. I'm using a stovetop box as a sample, and then I have my pages that I've dyed. You're going to take your pages, you're going to try to stack them and try to get a good flat edge on them. You can use any edge you want, but you want to make sure that you have a clean flat edge. And so I'm just going to pick one side. You're going to hold it nice and neat like that. Then in the middle, in your spine, you're going to take your hot glue and you're going to put a bunch of hot glue and then try and stick your papers in. So let's give this a shot. You have to work quickly because the hot glue will cool and then you cannot stick pages on it. And then you find the center and you press down. Hold your pages until it cools. Don't worry if your pages overhang on the edge because you can trim all of that once it's set. And then you should have some pages. What you can do afterwards is double check and make sure that your pages did take. So what I like to do is I just go and then stick a bead of glue on some of the pages. Make sure that they, see how this one's like not stuck. So I'll probably just, I won't do every one of them, but I'll do some of the bigger ones that are not. What you want to avoid is picking up your book, turning it over, and then having pages fall out. And so yeah, so there you go. You've got your book and your pages. They're all secure. And then you can go around and you can cut your pages either with scissors along the edge or with an X-Acto knife and keep trying to cut it. And then there you go. That is how you attach your pages into your book.